Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to look at the question from series and sequences. In this question, it says the first term of the progression is 4x and the second term is x squared. In the first part, it says for the case where the progression is arithmetic with a common difference of 12, find the possible values of x and the corresponding values of the third term. Okay, so here we know the first term and the second term. Since it says this is arithmetic progression, so if this is arithmetic progression, so this must has a common difference, so difference should be second term minus first term, and since we know the difference is equal to 12, so x squared minus 4x is equal to 12, so x squared minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So we can factorize this. So here we can get the values of x, which are x is equal to 6 or x is equal to negative 2. And then it says for the corresponding values of x, we have to find the third terms, corresponding values for the third term. So since we know we have 2x, so when x is 6 or when x is negative 2. So when x is 6, so a1 must be 4 times 6, which is 24, and d is 12. And when x is negative 2, so that's mean a1 is negative 8, and again d is 12. So we are looking for the third term, so an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So a3 must be equal to a1 plus 2 times d. So a3 is equal to 24 plus 2 times 12, so which means a3 is equal to 48. So for the second value of x, the third term, a3 is equal to a1, which is negative 8 plus 2 times 12. So a3 is equal to negative 8 plus 24, and a3 is equal to 16. So for two different values of x, we are able to find two different values for the third term of that. In second part, it says for the case where the progression is geometric, so with the sum to infinity is 8, and find the third term. So since again we know a1 is 4x and a2 is x squared, so if it is a geometric progression, so that's mean the common ratio will be second term divided by the first term, so this is equal to x by 4. And now it says with the sum to infinity is 8, so that's mean s infinity is equal to a1 over 1 minus r. So s infinity is equal to 8 times a1 is 4x over 1 minus x by 4. So 8 is equal to 16x over 4 minus x. Since we know the third fraction will go to the first fraction, so from here, if we cross multiply, so 8 times 4 minus x is equal to 16x. 32 minus 8x is equal to 16x. So 32 is equal to 24x, so which means x is equal to 32 by 24 or 4 by 3. So since x is 4 by 3, so which means a1 must be 4 times 4 by 3, so a1 is 16 by 3, and then r is x by 4. So when x is 4 by 3 over 4, so that's mean r is 1/3. Again, we have to find the third term, so an is equal to a1 r to the power n minus 1, so a3 will be equal to a1 r to the power 2. So since A1 is 16 by 3 and R is 1 by 3 square, so this will be 16 over 3 square is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. So here we found the third term.